With breaking news, the judge in the Delphi murders trial is getting care for an urgent medical condition.
Yeah, we received that notice from the court less than an hour ago. In a statement, the court announced Judge Fran Gull was hospitalized at the start of the month. She was released to go home after several days, and now she's working from home until she's well enough to return to the office. So right now, other judges in Allen County are handling her cases.
Tonight at 6, we are untangling this legal battle over the Delphi murders trial. Thanks for joining us. I'm Scott Swan.
And I'm Jenny Runovich, in tonight for Anne Marie Tiernan. It has now been almost 7 years since Abby Williams and Libby German were killed, and more than 1 year since Richard Allen was charged in their murders. But there is a legal fight over who will represent Allen. That battle has made it all the way to the Indiana Supreme Court. Tonight at 6, we're getting new insight into the judge's decision to remove Richard Allen's original defense team. Our Rich Nye took transcripts of the judge's closed-door discussion to the Public Defender Council to understand how this fight has made it so far.
The 29-page transcript turned over to the Indiana Supreme Court reveals that Special Judge Francis Gull told Bradley Rosie and Andrew Baldwin she would remove them from representing Richard Allen if they did not withdraw. The conversation happened in chambers before an October 19th hearing in Fort Wayne. Judge Gull told the attorneys the totality of these circumstances demonstrate gross negligence and incompetence on the part of the defense team. I am unsatisfied with your representation of Mr. Allen. I am gravely concerned about his rights to have competent, non-negligent representation. The Indiana Public Defender Council has filed a brief with the state Supreme Court arguing the judge did not follow the court rules in removing the attorneys and appointing 2 new public defenders from Allen County.
She disregarded, or at least didn't look at, the Carroll County plan. There is a process which the attorneys could have been removed based on their plan, their public defender plan, and that was not followed. Why, I don't know.
Civil attorneys for Richard Allen want the Indiana Supreme Court to reinstate the original attorneys and replace Judge Gull. She has until November 27th to provide her legal response.
This case demonstrates the need for separation between the judiciary and the public defense system, and if the court has the authority to hire and fire sort of at will with no real standards, that just creates all kinds of problems with public defense and people's trust in the system.
The state's highest court could hear oral arguments before ruling on who will represent Allen and who will preside over the Delphi murders case. In Indianapolis, Rich Nye, 13 News.
Also today, lawyers for Richard Allen pushed back on how Judge Gull handled some important documents.
Last week, the judge told the Indiana Supreme Court she had not been improperly withholding court records. The judge said she ordered them to be posted.
But today, Allen's lawyer said the judge was wrong, that she misinterpreted and misapplied the state's rules.
You can read that filing and the full transcripts that we've been discussing tonight. Just go ahead and scan this QR code that we're going to put up here on the screen. You can also go to WTHR.com/Delphi.